Hi, this is Kenny from In a Day Development. Welcome to our Uneven Cashflows tutorial. When we were first determining how we wanted to write these apps, we went through the functions on the physical HP 10x2 calculator, which is the calculator on which we were trained, and tried to think of the things about it that make it hard to use so we could improve upon them on our smartphone apps. The biggest one of these functions is Uneven Cashflows, which you can access by hitting CFJ or Orange Shift NJ. Let's do that now. When we hit CFJ, a new screen appears and lets us enter the initial cash flow amount, which is the same as CF in period 0 if you're used to the physical calculator. By default, there's one additional line of payments in which you can put an amount and a number of times that amount of cash flows either in or out. If you want more lines, hit the plus button and more lines will appear. To enter data, just touch inside one of the boxes and type in your numbers. You have to make sure you enter the number of times greater than 0, or that row will be skipped when the calculator does its math. If you've entered some payment streams and you want to delete or reorder any of them, hit the Delete Reorder button. Delete a row by hitting the red delete icon, and then the delete button that appears. And move a row around by touching the handle on its right side and dragging it up or down. Let's practice these operations. First, I put negative $10,000 in the initial cash flow amount field, so I'm paying $10,000 today. Then I put 500 in the first amount and 10 in the first number times field. So I'm getting 10 payments of $500. Then I hit plus to add a payment stream. I touch the amount field, then 1,000, and I enter 7 in the number of times field. So I'm getting 7 payments of $1,000. I hit plus again. I enter negative 250 into the amount field and 6 in the number of times field. So I'm going to pay out $250 each month for the next 6 months. We hit plus again. I enter 0 into the amount field and 12 in the number of times field, so I pay nothing for a year. Whoops. This one should have come before the 1,000 times 7 payment stream, so I hit delete reorder, grab the bottom row, and drag it above the 1,000 times 7 row. And for that matter, I messed up, and the negative 250 line shouldn't have been there at all, so I hit the delete icon, which makes the delete button appear. I hit that, and the line goes away. I'm done reordering and deleting my lines, so I hit the Done button. I want to see what the cash flow diagram looks like for this series of payments, so I hit the Graph button. If you are unfamiliar or unclear on what this means, check out our other video on understanding cash flow diagrams. I'm done looking at my diagram, so I hit Done. Check out the video for NPV, net present value, and IRR per year, internal rate of return, to see what we can do with these values. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this example, please feel free to email us at theteam@inadaydevelopment.com.